school, I saw someone in my class swearing. I asked him to stop, but he refused. I pestered the person until he told me to get lost. Hi everybody, my name is Joash and I'm 12 years old. In a world where you can be anything, be polite and kind. The first time I ever saw a swear word was in a book. The title of the book had a swear word in it, and every single page had a swear word. The book was called Go to Sleep. It was a children's bedtime storybook. It was shocking. After finding out what bad words were, I avoided saying them. Swearing is a bad habit. Almost everyone in my school uses swear words, even though it is not allowed by the teachers. Swearing can hurt and offend other people. We should never use swear words. Some people swear because they are angry or frustrated. It can also be because they think it looks cool, but it is not. Why do people swear? Teens and young people swear because they think it's cool. Adults generally swear because of frustration and anger. Most likely, the person lacks the English vocabulary to express their frustration and anger. Hence, using swear words is what they know. Swearing tells people a lot about you. It reflects you as rude, lack language skill, or being pretentious. How do we avoid swearing? One way is by avoiding content online that uses swear words. We can also avoid being around people who use swear words, who can influence us to swear. Instead of swearing, we can use words like ah and grr when we are frustrated. Swearing is a bad habit. We must avoid swearing to make the world a better place. Swearing only hurts others. It also reflects badly on your personality. In a world where you can be anything, be polite and be kind. Thank you.